This is
Thank you.
Robson at 19.5 months.
Thank you.
Emptying the dishwasher.
Thank you. You want to get something from the top?
Yeah.
Alright, glasses are a bit trickier. Thank you.
And it's Daddy helping. Hello, Daddy.
Thank you. Hello, hello. Glasses require great attention. Whoa, that one's... No.
Maybe if you open the thing a little further.
He's... Thank you. You can get it. Thanks, bud.
Yep.
Thank you.
Yep.
Thank you. Thank you.
Where does that one go?
Yep.
That's one of his, so it goes in his drawer.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
In case you were wondering, TJ still isn't far.
Where are you
Hello.
off to, bud?
Okay.
You done with the dishwasher for now?
Yeah.
Alright.
Nate.
Thank you. Robson, it's okay. Just... Thank you. Thank you. Why don't you come around to the side here? Come around this way. Come over here. You get it better this way. Yeah. Thanks, bud. Uh-oh. Where does that go? Where do the knives go? Thanks. Thank you.
What about the forks and knives, Robson? You gonna put them away?
Yeah.
I think he wants to watch the lights go in the cupboard. We're gonna put these up here. Thank you. Thank you.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. You got an eye on where his feet are? Steven?
Yeah, yes. Thank you. The blue one?
Yeah.
Thanks. Good job, Robson. It's time to play with the bananas?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hey, Robson, can you say hi? Say hi to the camera. Robson. Hey, pomegranate player. All right,
Is that the pomegranate?
Yeah.
Thank you.
there's Taylor helping too. And TJ. Hi, TJ. Hi, Taylor.